Let's see Leetcode problem 424 longest repeating character replacement. We will see here two approaches. First approach is brute force approach and second approach is optimal approach. We will first discuss the problem and then we will discuss the approach and then we will do the coding part. Let's get started.
Let's understand the problem. The problem is of medium level. Here given that you are given a string s and string integer k. You can choose any character of the string and change it to any another uppercase English character. You can perform this operation at most k times. Okay, so here is given an example. This ab and k is given 2. So we have only two chances to change the character from this string to make the longest repeating character, okay, with replacement. Here in this example k is 2, so we can only do maximum times 2 times replacement, and in this example k is 1, so we can maximum times 1 time only replacement we can do. So if we change b as aa or a as bb 2 times, then the longest repeating character will be 4. Okay, so 4 is the output. Okay, so once again let's understand the problem on paper pen and let's understand the approach.
So the we have to find the longest repeating character replacement. Okay, so here k is given that 2. Okay, in this we have maximum replacement allowed 2 times. Okay, so we can only replace 2 elements from this string and we have to find the longest repeating character substring. Okay, so here if we replace b and b with aa, then the longest substring it will become, okay, 1 2 3 4 of 5 element and the output is 5. Okay, so this is an problem statement given to us. Okay, so first we will discuss approach 1, which is brute force. Okay, brute force approach. So in brute force approach what we will do, we will traverse throughout the array throughout the string. Okay, so now we are at this string. Okay, so we will go move forward and check. Now this is aa, so we will wait. Okay, we will not break the statement. Okay, now again we will move and we will come to b. Okay, now we find a different element from this. Okay, so we will change this and we will decrement k. Now k is 2. Okay, now we will decrement by 1, so now k is 1. Only one chance is left with us. Okay, now this character become a. Okay, now we will again traverse forward and we will come here. Okay, now a is same. Now 4 a are there, then maximum equal to, we are incrementing maximum one by one as we traverse forward. Okay, now maximum is equal to 4. Okay, now again we will move forward and b, now it is b. Okay, now we will change it with a, with previous character it will be a, and maximum will be 5, and k will be decremented by 1 and now k is 0. Okay, now again we will move forward, we find the c which is not equal to a, then we try to change it, but our maximum replacement k is now 0, so we can't replace it with a. Okay, so again maximum is now 5. Now we will start from second element a. Okay, now again we will traverse forward. Now we found the b. Okay, now we will replace it with a. Now similarly we will do throughout the array again and again throughout the string. We will iterate again and again, which will exceed our time limit. Okay, so this will give us time limit error. Okay, so we cannot apply this is small problem, so it is okay to implement. Okay, when the arrays string size is of 20 30 40, then it will become very time consuming. Okay, so we will not use the brute force approach. Okay, for understanding we will use brute force. Okay, so now I will teach you the optimal approach. Okay, this is an given array k is equal to 2, given string, sorry, this is an given string. Okay, so what we will do, we will take a pointer. Okay, now we will take left pointer. Okay, left pointer at 0. Here is our left pointer, I will take L. Okay, and then we will take maximum frequency to store the frequency of similar element, and we will create one hash map. We will use here hash map sliding window approach. Okay, so this is an hash map which I have given name map. Okay, so initially these all are 0. Okay, now we will take right pointer and left pointer. Left pointer is here and right pointer is here. Okay, so maximum window size is at starting 0 and maximum frequency is also at starting 0. Okay, then we will what do, we will traverse this string. Okay, so now we are in right will be moved forward. Okay, now we are at first position a, so we will increment the frequency of this a in hash map. Okay, now our a frequency is become 1. Okay, and window size become 1, and the maximum frequency will decide 0 is greater or 1 is greater, so it will become 1. Okay, now again right pointer will come here. Okay, now right pointer is here. now it will see it will implement the frequency in hash map. Now it will become 1, it will become 2, 1 plus 1 2, and the window size will also become 2, and the maximum frequency will also become 2 as it move here b. Okay, now frequency of b will increase. Now here is 1, and maximum frequency between 1 and 2 is 2, so it will remain 2, and the window size is 3. Okay, so we find that this is not a repeating character string. Okay, now our window size is 3 and maximum frequency is equal to 1. Now here we will create one variable which is character need to be changed. Okay, equal to window size minus maximum frequency. Our window size is now 3 and the maximum frequency is 2. Okay, so it will become 1, and 1 is less than k. Okay, means no, we have not used the k one time also, so it will be replaced by b. Okay, now b is changed with a. Okay, then frequency of a will incremented. Okay, sorry, here is 3. Okay, now we will again move forward. R pointer will come here, means right pointer will here. A frequency will be this maximum frequency will become 3, and window size will also will remain same. Okay, so a frequency will be incremented by 1, then it will become 4. Okay, now the maximum frequency is 4 and window size is also 4. Okay, now we will move forward. Now a right pointer will come here, r. Okay, so k is decremented. Why? Because we have changed this array with this character at. Okay, so it will become 1. Now here b, now b became 0 no, as we replaced. Okay, so in the hash map it will frequency incremented by 1, so it will become 1. Okay, so now our high maximum frequency is 4 and window size is 5, right? I will write 5 here. Okay, now we will check 5 minus maximum frequency is 4, which is equal to 1. So 1 which is not greater than k. Okay, so we will replace this also with maximum frequency element. Okay, a it will be replaced by a. Okay, now this will become again 0 and this will become 5. Okay, 5 times. Now we will move forward. R will come here. Okay, c. Now c will be c's pointer will be incremented 1. Okay, and window size will also become 6. Okay, and the maximum frequency is 5. Now we will check here. Here k is become 0 no, right? Now 6 my window size 6 minus maximum frequency 5, which is equal to 1. Okay, now 1 is greater than k. Okay, 1 is greater than k, so we will not implement, means we will not go forward. Okay, we will return the maximum frequency is 5. Okay, the output is also 5. We will implement like this. If you not understand this approach at the first time, you should watch the video 2 to 3 times, then you will understand. And I think that you will understand more by doing code. Okay, so I will show you code on Leetcode, then you will understand more better than this paper pen. Okay, so I teach you the approach in the paper pen as much as I can teach you. So I will more try again in the code also. Okay, so like this will be array will be again and again, and it will replace as k will change, it will iterate that much time. Okay, then its time complexity is big O of n, and space complexity is big O of 1. Okay, so I will again teach you the approach while coding. Okay, so let's go on Leetcode screen.
Okay, let's see the code. First we will take here the length of string, and we have to take the left pointer as 0 and right pointer. Okay, we will implement the right pointer means at 0 at for loop. Okay, in the for loop, and we will take here maximum frequency as 0 starting, and window size also at starting 0. Okay, now we will create here one frequency named uh, we will create here one frequency named array. Okay, to store that frequencies into hash map, means in other videos before this video, 2 videos I have teaching that at character yes dot at character minus a means 97 minus 97 0 at the 0 at starting its frequency is 0. Okay, so we will create here frequency integer 26. Okay, so here is this. Now we will implement for loop. should be less than n, should be incremented. Okay, now what we will do, we will update the frequencies into hash map. Okay, so frequency yes dot character at right. Okay, minus this capital A. We will implement capital A in before in other problems we used small a because in that string it was small. Okay, so we will increment its frequency. For only incrementing frequency and decrementing frequency, we have created this frequency array, which has the index 26 to 26 elements because ABCD is of 26 length. Okay, so we will use your max frequency equal to math dot max function, which will take the maximum frequency and frequency of yes dot character at right. Okay, minus a, which frequency is greater. Okay, at the starting maximum frequency is greater or at that element means frequency will increment by 1 1 1 2 3, which was greater. Okay, it will take that by using math dot max. Okay, so we will take one more window length means window length will be right minus left plus 1, no, so we will take here window length which is equal to right minus left plus 1. Okay, so I have to initialize this as integer. Okay, so if window length is great window length minus that maximum frequency is greater than k, then we have to implement if window minus maximum frequency is greater than k, then we have to decrement that frequency from hash map. So we will use here hash dot character at left. Okay, so minus e. Okay, we will decrement it, no, right. Okay, now we will increment left. Okay, now we will take window equal to math dot max, which is maximum window. We have to choose between maximum window and window length. Okay, window length, window length. Okay, now simply we will return here maximum window. Okay, so you can just see this code. I hope that you are understanding the approach and the code. So I will run this code. So here is something error. Now here we should put minus, no, so here is minus, I have put on by mistake equal to, so window, sorry, this is window only. Okay, here is maximum window, no, window size, sorry, we have to take here window size, sorry, I have declared here as window size and I was written here maximum window. So let's once again run the code. Okay, here also window size, sorry guys for inconvenience. Okay, wait a minute, I think something here is wrong in this logic. Okay, so I forgotten to add here window equal to right minus left plus 1, no, we have to find the length of that window, no, so as per our sliding window we have to use like this right minus left plus 1 to get the length of that window. Okay, so once again run the code. Okay, still it is not working.
So I will check. Okay, okay. Here we have to returning window size, no? So we have to choose maximum between window size and window as window size. Okay, okay. Now it will run properly, I think so. So you can see our all test cases are run successfully and compiled successfully, and our answer is accepted. Okay, so let's submit this code. If you not understand this code and approach at the first time, then you have to watch the video again and again, and by writing, and you have to take one example which I have taken on the paper. You have to take that approach and you have to dry run this all code. Okay, this all code, then you will understand the properly approach. Okay, so let's submit the code. So this was our day 16 of 100 days of code DSA challenge. So this was our string medium problem. Now we will shift to string hard problem. Okay, so if you like my you can see this our problem is submitted. Okay, our solution is submitted. If you liked my video, then please subscribe my channel and like my video. And if you want this code, then this code is uploaded on my GitHub account, and that link is given in description. You can find Java link also and C++ link also. Okay, so please subscribe guys and like. So thank you guys for watching my video.